Hi, in this video, I'm breaking down some passive income methods that actually work in 2026. Of course, before we start, you'll have to know that there's no real passive income with zero work. So that does not exist. And anything that's promised it once and forever is either outdated or fake. And what will work actually is some front loaded work, then delayed income or delayed passive income. So if you don't have like skills, audience, or capital, your options will be limited. So let's get started. First of all, the thing that still work in 2026 that have been working for a long time and still working right now in 2026 is digital products. It's basically low cost and high control. This is one of the most realistic passive methods that can work for you. As examples, you can start by creating some templates, some checklists, some Notion systems, some simple guides, and platforms like, as example, Gumroad, or also like Payhip. So those platforms can help you sell your products. Of course, the products that I mentioned, like template, checklist, Notion system, simple guides, it will work for you for a long time. Of course, you'll have to update them from time to time, but it's something that works for 1 to 2 weeks. I mean, years, 1 to 2 years, like easily. So you'll have to work hard once to create those templates and stuff, and then uh, traffic will bring sales automatically, and of course it will sell requires marketing for you. So no platform will give you traffic without anything. So this will work best if you solve, like example, a clear problem using a digital like products. Other than that, some of the other things that can grant you some passive income in 2026, which is YouTube. So YouTube is still one of the strongest semi-passive models. Why? Because videos rank in search and content works 24/7 while you're sleeping, while you're working, and one video can make money for years, especially if it's got views. So you can monetize using ads, affiliates, or your own products. So the truth about YouTube though, in the first like 3 to 6 months, if you did not get lucky somehow, usually it will pay nothing. After that, compounding kicks in if content is searchable and if you were consistent in the first 3 to 6 months, you were posting regularly every week, like 3 videos, 4 videos, and you don't stop just because you didn't get any views, as example, in the first week. So yeah, YouTube still works in 2026 as well. Other than that, you can try the affiliate content, affiliate marketing basically. Affiliate marketing still works only with some intent-based content. What will work for you in 2026 is basically reviews, so reviewing some items and stuff like that, maybe comparisons between this mouse and this mouse, or maybe some tutorials like this one right here. Also, affiliates like marketing using like platforms like blogs platforms or YouTube in itself, or maybe some long form guides. So what does not work in 2026 and it's not working anymore is basically some spam links, social like bio links only, or random TikToks posting one or two, one a year, and you're hoping that one will go viral and you'll earn some money through it. So if people are already like searching, affiliates will convert. So some of the other things that still can grant you some passive income, it's basically stock content. It's very niche, but it's still valid. If you already create content, like if you're a photographer creating photos, or you're like traveling, creating videos, you have some UI assets, you have some sound effects, non-musical though. Platforms like, I don't know, the ones that are famous are Shutter like Stock. So Shutter Stock, and also Adobe Stock. Also, this is a famous one. So Adobe Stock. So those platforms basically pays per download. So though, but you'll have to know that the reality of these platforms, the income is slow, and it will need volume. You will need a lot of people to buy your stuff, and of course, it works best for creators who already produce content anyway. So you're not going out of your way to produce that content and add it here. Yeah. One of the like things that still works and it's basically getting bigger and bigger with time. It's basically print on demand. Print on demand still works only if you target a niche audience though. What fails in print on demand, it's basically some generic or generic code, some trending chasing, or broader design. But what will work is some inside jokes somehow, proficient like specific designs, maybe some community focused merch. And this is not passive at start, but once designs are live, it can run quietly. So I had to mention what people like call passive, but isn't. Basically, some of the stuff like dropshipping, freelancing, client work, social media posting daily, maybe crypto trading, these require constant attention and don't like confuse them with passive income. You'll be able to do those, but even if you work hard in the first like year, let's just say year, you'll not be able to gain some passive income during the other time. You'll still have to work on it. So yeah, that's basically what can work in 2026 and onwards. Of course, it might change after 3 months, after 5 months. You never know what can happen, for example, in the future. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.